Using replace on pipes in PowerShell. I want to test out a replace before I use it, so I'm trying to write a quick online command to see what the output is. However, I'm not sure what the syntax is. What I want to do is something like, what is the correct PowerShell syntax for this? I know that I can also do $a equals cat file, and then do a replace on $a, but I'd like to keep this on one line.
This should do the trick. It'll go through all the lines in the file, and replace any A with B, but you'll need to save that back into a file afterwards.
To use the PowerShell replace operator, which works with regular expressions, do this. Note that the replace operator uses regex matching, whereas the following example would use a non-regex text find and replace, as it uses the string.replace method of the .NET framework.
I want to add the possibility to use the above-mentioned solution as input for command pipes which require slashes instead of backslashes. I hit this while using jest under Windows, whereby jest requires slashes and Windows path autocompletion returns backslashes. Instead I use which results to Even multiple paths could be transformed by using an array, echo path 1, path 2, path 3, ... For example, to specify also a config file I use The nice thing is that you still could use the native path autocompletion to navigate to your files.
If you want to support us, please contact us with